how to remove your gas tank on your Project Rushmore motorcycle. This is going to be similar on other motorcycles as well, so it might help you even if you don't have a Project Rushmore. Today we're in the garage. We're going to be removing the gas tank on my 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. Let's get into that right now.
Your first step is going to be to remove this cap right here. Probably difficult to see. Try to shine some light on the subject here if we can. Right here is that cap that I'm talking about. It's a rubber boot. You remove that rubber boot and you'll access a bolt. There's one on each side. That gives you access to that bolt that you can see right there. Now these are vacuum lines. You could just pull these up. And these two are wiring harnesses. Just simply unplug those. Then there's just two bolts at the base of the tank that we need to remove, one on each side. You simply slide this portion up and pull this part out. So you need two hands. You are going to lose a little bit of gas. Might be a good idea to put a cloth or something down here so you don't get gas all over the place. But if you can do it quickly, you should be alright. A little bit of gas leaked out, but not bad. As soon as you drop that valve down again, it locks the fuel. So this part's removed. There you go. I'm gonna clean up and we'll finish the tank removal.
Alright, so we got our bolts loose, our wires disconnected, our air hoses or our vent hoses pulled up, and our petcock undone. Now it should be as easy as just simply lifting up the tank and pulling it away from the bike. Alright, so we've gone ahead and lifted the tank off of the bike. This is what we're left with. Now this is a really great opportunity as well to clean up any wires from previous projects that you've done, like I have with LED installs and things such as that. So that's how you remove the gas tank from the Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra, Road Glide Special, and any other Project Rushmore motorcycle. And they're all going to be very similar, so hopefully this video will help you out in any situation that you need to remove your gas tank from your motorcycle. Some projects just require it to happen, and if you want to do a good job routing wires and keeping things clean looking, it's really the way to go. So there you go. Stay safe out there as always. We will catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest. If you want other tips and tricks, motorcycle touring ideas, installs and tutorials, and general travel around the Midwest videos, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell. It won't cost you a thing, and it'll notify you every time I upload a new video.